Hey guys, in this video, I'm going to show a demonstration of the auto answer calls feature on the iPhone 15 series. First, let's go back to the home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. And in order for you to use this feature, first you need to turn it on. So I'm going to go into settings. In the settings screen, we scroll down and tap on accessibility. Next, tap on touch. Then in here, scroll down to the bottom and tap on call audio routing. Then tap on auto answer calls. At the top here, make sure you tap on the auto answer calls toggle button to switch it on. Now you can choose the time duration, the phone wait before it is auto answer. By default, it is set to 3 seconds. And here it is. I'm going to call myself, and you can see that after a few seconds, it will automatically answer the call. So approximately after 3 seconds, the call will pick up by itself. Let's try again. So around 1, 2, 3, the call is pick up automatically. And that's it. So that is the demonstration of auto call answer on the iPhone 15 series. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.